Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello everyone, welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova.
And me, Kate Nidechna.
You are watching combined currency and commodity review over the last week.
What happened on the currency market last week?
On Friday, the euro fell against the US dollar.
And what triggered such dynamic?
Positive figures on the US GDP growth in the second quarter intensified the hopes and interest rate hike by the Fed till the year end. Besides, hints made by the Fed's representative on policy tightening backed the US dollar broadly. The ICE dollar index rose 1.1% to 96.26 points. At the end of the week, the indicator gained 111 points. On Thursday, the Fed chairwoman Janet Yellen said that the regulator is ready to increase rates in 2015, provided that inflation is stable and the labor market is strong. This view contradicts to the ECB's announcement that the regulator needs more time to decide on stimulus measures and rate cuts made by the central banks of Norway and Taiwan. The euro versus American dollar pair hit the level of 1.1199 on Friday in the New York trading hours. Over the week, the European currency lost 0.9% or 104 points. The euro also drew support from the IFO publication on Thursday, which shows that the business sentiment in Germany improved to the 4-month high of 108.5 in September from 108.4 in August. Meanwhile, the Aussie showed weak dynamic among the currencies of the developed countries last week. Over the week, it fell 2.4% to 70.26, lower than 170 points. This is all about the Forex news.
Thank you for the currency market overview, Tahmina.
You are welcome, Kate. What about oil and gold?
Last week, the oil market showed a revival.
What improved investor mood?
Expectations of the interest rates hike this year by the Fed. Oil ended the week on an upbeat note, helped by the news on further contraction of active oil drilling rigs in the USA. Moreover, announcements by the Fed representatives also added to the crude rally. At the end of the trading session in London, Brent futures contracts for delivery in November edged up 43 cents to close at $48.60 per barrel. Over the week, the contracts gained 2%. Prices for WTI November contracts jumped 79 cents to $45.70 per barrel, thus accumulating 1.5% at the end of the week. Baker Hughes reported that for the week ended September 25, the number of active rigs fell to 640, the lowest figure since July 2015. Meanwhile, gold took a nosedive amid GDP reports from the USA, which fueled speculations of a rates increase later this year. Nevertheless, gold weekly increase totaled 0.6%. Gold futures for December delivery cheapened 0.7% to $1,145.60 per 3 ounce. On Friday, the U.S. Trade Ministry said that the country's economy expanded by 3.9% in the period of April-June, amid better construction activity and consumer spending.
Kate, many thanks for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Tahmina.
You have watched ИнстаФорекс commodity and currency review for the last week.
The review was presented to you by me, Kate Nidechna.
And me, Tahmina Salomova.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.